Hello dear students, today we will study passive of modal auxiliaries. You know modal auxiliaries, the word can, could, should, must, may, might, like this, called modal auxiliaries. The identity of the sentence is active voice. Identity of active voice sentence is modal plus first form plus object. In the sentence, any modal is given, after that first form and object. The rule for passive voice: subject, modal which will be given in the sentence, after that not if the sentence is negative, be third form by object. Now look at the sentence. I can solve this problem. Identity, modal can plus first form plus object given. So this is sentence of modal auxiliary. Now apply the rule for changing the sentence into passive voice. First of all, subject. What subject? This is the object and this will be the subject. Subject, this problem. After that, modal, can is given, not, no, be third form of solve, solved by object of I, me. This problem can be solved by me. Next sentence. We should not hate the poor. Modal plus first form given. So this is the sentence of modal auxiliary, not given, so modal auxiliary negative sense. Passive, subject, the poor. Modal, should, not, be third form of hate, hated by object of we, us. The poor should not be hated by us. Next sentence. Amit can have done the work. Now look at the sentence. Before this, identity of active voice is modal plus first form plus object. But now look, modal auxiliary plus have plus third form. In this sentence, first form is not given. Modal auxiliary plus have plus third form is given in this sentence. We will apply this rule: subject, modal, not, have, been plus third form plus by plus object. Sentence. Amit can have done the work. Modal, have plus third form given. In this sentence we will apply this rule: Amit can have done the work. Passive of this sentence is first of all subject, the work. Modal, can have, not, no, third form, done by object of Amit, Amit. The work can have been done by Amit. Next sentence. We might not have played the match. Passive, subject, the match. Modal, might, not, have been, third form, played, played by object of we, us. The match might not have been played by us. These are the rules of modal auxiliary. Modal auxiliary plus first form, modal auxiliary have plus third form. Interrogative. Interrogative, modal auxiliary, subject, not if the sentence is negative. B, third form by plus object. Now sentence, would you return the loan? In this sentence, would. Passive, first of all model, would, subject, the loan, not, no. B, third form, returned by you. Would the loan be returned by you? Next sentence, why must he not finish this lesson today? In this sentence, question word is given. Before modal auxiliary, we will apply question word. Why? Modal, must, subject, this lesson, not. B, third form of finish, finished by object of he, him, the remaining part today. Why must this lesson not be finished by him today? Now imperative sentence. Imperative sentence starts using the word don't, always, never, first form. After that object. This is the identity of imperative sentence. In this sentence, the subject is not clear. But if we find out the hidden meaning of the subject, it is you. Then the rule of imperative sentence for changing the sentence into passive voice, let after that object. Now remember, in this sentence, no subject, object will be object. First form plus object given, then this object will be written object. इसमें यहाँ subject नहीं होगा, object का object ही होगा. Not if the sentence is negative. B, third form by you. If you like, you can write. आप चाहो तो by you लिख सकते हो और नहीं तो यहीं तक भी सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. सेंटेंस, call the peon. Identity, first form plus object. Call first form plus object. This is the identity of imperative sentence. No subject is given in the sentence. Passive, apply the rule. First of all, let. After that, object, the peon, not, no. B, third form of call, called by you. Now next sentence, do not inform the police now. This sentence has been started using do not. Do not plus first form plus object. Do not plus first form plus object and no subject given. So this is the identity of imperative sentence. Passive voice of this sentence is let, object, the police, not. B, third form of inform, informed by you. We have not applied by you. Now the remaining part. Let the police not be informed now. In imperative sentence, if any order, request, advice is given in the sentence, the rule will be you are ordered, requested, advised. What will be the sense of the sentence? After that, not if the sentence is negative. To plus first form of given sentence. In the sentence, when the sentence is given, in this sentence, first form of the sentence is given. After that, the remaining part of the sentence. Look at the sentence. Please help me. Please shows that this is the sentence of request. So we will apply the rule of you are requested. You are, please shows the request form. So you are requested, not no, to first form help. The remaining part me. You are requested to help me. Next sentence. Do not take cold things. ठंडी चीजें मत लीजिए. It shows that this is the sentence of advice. Now apply the rule for changing the sentence into passive voice. You are advised, not is given, not to, first form take. First form of given sentence take plus the remaining part. Remaining part cold things. You are advised not to take cold things. Thank you. Any problem? Call me.